It started with ambition.
We start with like a human, the thinking about the driver first.
You know, you want to make them excited to come back to that space.
The first of its kind, this is an SUV built from the ground up to stir emotion.
Oh my God, it sounds epic as well.
This is Mazda's most powerful vehicle yet.
Finally, we can build the car we really, really want to build and not compromise.
The Mazda CX-90. After all this, it feels like it's built for me. But now, I want to drive. It's not surprising. The CX-90 has power. One glance and you know it has more than enough.
There is a huge part of the exhilaration of wanting to stay in the gas pedal because you're feeling the crescendo, the building sound of our straight six engine. The longer you stay in it, the more rewarding it becomes.
A daring contradiction. A vehicle this size shouldn't handle like this, but it does.
KPC, kinematic posture control. We have software that monitors steering angle, speed, G-load, all these things, making you feel more settled to a point.
Mazda's most powerful engine isn't alone. Mazda's first ever electrified plug-in hybrid delivers the same acceleration as the inline six, with even more efficiency.
The bigger motor on the plug-in hybrid really just gives you that instant punch, max torque right away.
In the CX-90, I feel focused, comfortable, connected. This is power and design perfectly aligned. Everything exactly where it should be.
Look at that, automatically adjusting for the perfect ergonomic driving position. That's because I've been pre-programmed in this car. My height, my eye line, everything's ready.
The look, the sound, the feeling, all made for me by so many others. The first ever Mazda CX-90 is a cumulative triumph. Each designer and engineer leaving their mark to connect driver and car. Hopefully, they don't need it back